So guys, in this video, we'll try to see how we can build our private knowledge base with the help of vector database. So here again, I'm using LangChain guys. So first of all, I'm importing the data loader. Then OpenAI embedding, I need to generate the embeddings. Then I need a splitter because I have to do the chunking operations. And I'm using ChromaDB vector database. So in the data folder, I have one file. I have one file you can see called state of the union. Okay, this file. So we'll try to create the knowledge base on top of that. Okay, so let's try to do it. So here first of all I'm loading the documents, then I'm doing the chunking operation because I told you why chunking is required. Here chunk size is 1000 and chunks overlap I have given 0. Okay, so here I've done the split documents operation. Now if I see I have 42 chunks. Okay, in total. Now we'll be creating the knowledge base. For this we'll be using ChromaDB vector database, and it's a local vector database. I think I already showed you the ChromaDB example. Okay, now we are doing the from documents, and inside that we are passing the chunks and we are passing the embedding model. Okay, and this example I already showed you. I already explained in my ChromaDB session why chunking is important. Okay, everything I already explained there. Now this has created my vector database. Okay, you can see it has created one object, okay, in my local instance. Now here you can do two kinds of search operation. One is similarity search and another is retriever. So first of all, let's try to see the similarity search operation. So here let's say this is my question: did the president say about the John Lewis Voting Rights Act? Because if you see the documents, we are having the content related that. Then we are doing the similarity search operation. We are passing the question. Okay, now it will return you the similar kinds of response, similar kinds of answer. Okay, see, it is not giving you any kinds of reference. But if I'm talking about retriever, okay, so retriever, what it returns, let me show you another demo. So first of all, let's load the documents. Then again we are loading the, you can say, content. We are doing the chunking, we are performing the splitter, we are loading the embedding model, and now we are using Fires vector database for the embeddings. Okay, for the knowledge base. Now this is our vector database object. Okay, here I got one error, so I have to install Fires CPU. So let me do it. So here I already kept the requirement.txt file. Okay, you can install. So you can also add the Fire CPU there. Done. Now again re-execute. Okay, now this is my vector object. Now we are getting the retriever. Okay, and search keyword is equal to 3. That means it will return 3 relevant response. Okay, now this is the question I'm asking: what did he say about the Ketanji Brown's action? So see, it is returning 3 relevant answer with the source. Okay, with the help of meta source as well. So this is the difference. So you had in the similarity search, you are only getting the similarity, let's say, response, and you are also getting the meta source. Okay, like which file it is suggesting. Okay, and the page content as well. Okay, everything it is returning. Okay, you can see total 3 response you are getting. If it is 4, so it will returning 4 response that time. Okay, see, 4 response that time. Okay, so that's how guys we can create our private knowledge base. Thank you so much.